A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 11, verse 5 to 9. And the Lord came down to see the city and the tower which the children of men builded. And the Lord said, Behold, that people is one, and they have one language. This they begin to do. And now nothing will be restrained from them which they have imagined to do. Go to. Let us go down and compound their language, that they may not understand one another's speech. So the Lord scattered them abroad from thence upon the face of all the earth, and they left off to build the city. Therefore is the name of it called Babel, because of the Lord did there compound the language of all the earth. From thence did the Lord scatter them abroad upon the face of all the earth. So this is the time that the people created the Tower of Babel, and they do have one language, and because of that they are unified, and maybe there's a tendency that they will rebel against God, and they made themselves God. That's why the Lord scattered them, and hence it creates multiple languages, and that's the reason why we do have many languages as of now. See, that's the wisdom of God. He knew what's going on.